In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop wasting hours scrolling through endless job listings and let ChatGPT help you hunt for jobs efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, we're starting our journey by heading over to Google. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. It's a familiar starting point where we can find anything we need on the internet. Once you're there, we're ready for the next step. In the Google search bar, type in ChatGPT and press enter. ChatGPT is a powerful tool developed by OpenAI that can assist with a variety of tasks, including helping you streamline your job search process. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can sift through job listings, pulling relevant opportunities that might be perfect for you. That's the magic of ChatGPT. Now, let's locate the ChatGPT website. Usually, it appears as one of the first search results on Google. Go ahead and click on the official ChatGPT website link. You'll be redirected to their homepage, where we can start engaging with this AI tool. It's always important to ensure you're on the correct page, especially with such advanced technology, so double-check the URL if needed. Once you've arrived on the ChatGPT page, it's time to provide a prompt. If you're new to this, a prompt is essentially a question or request that you type into the ChatGPT text box. For job hunting, you could use prompts like, "Find software engineering jobs in New York," or "Show me marketing positions with remote flexibility." Make sure your prompt is concise yet specific enough to yield relevant results. This ensures that ChatGPT can provide the most suitable job listings tailored to your needs. After crafting your prompt, it's as simple as clicking the Submit button. This action prompts ChatGPT to process your request and deliver results. Keep an eye on the responses generated. It's remarkable how quickly and efficiently AI can comb through vast amounts of information to bring you pertinent and valuable job opportunities. As you explore the results, remember to check the details of each listing that ChatGPT presents. It's essential to verify the legitimacy and suitability of each job before proceeding with applications. While AI is an excellent assistant, your judgment is key in making sure the positions align with your career goals and preferences. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively harnessed the power of ChatGPT to transform your job search. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you've optimized your time and energy, directing both towards finding positions that truly suit you. We hope this method elevates your job hunting experience and leads you to exciting opportunities on your career path. Thank you for watching, and happy job hunting!